Hello everyone, I am Mr. Pranav Puri. On behalf of Vidyasagar Institute of Reiki, my mobile number is 8860732527. I am a Reiki Grandmaster. I am a Karuna Reiki Master directly from Mr. William Lee Rand's hierarchy. I am a Lama Fera Master as well and many other modalities. I am a numerologist as well. My way of teaching is very different from others. I teach from my heart and not only for the purpose of making money. My workshop fees is that is energy exchanges are also very reasonable, and whatever we present in our workshop, it is our own work. We do it on our own. We do not copy paste or we do not give others videos. Whatever we present ourselves. So you get some personal touch in my workshops and also a touch of originality. Having a basic depth and knowledge in the subject what you are teaching gives you at random a golden touch to teach and dispense immense knowledge whatever you are having in a flow. Today I am talking about Moksha Pratam, that is a very wonderful divine divination workshop. It's a divination tool, and actually what it is, many people are asking, putting up the queries as well. Earlier it was called Gyan Chopar, and it is something so wonderful that since the time you take birth until the time you are on this mother earth, it tells about everything about you regarding your past, your present and your future as well. Why you have taken birth here, to dispense whatever karmas, to go through whatever soul journey you have to go through, it talks about that. And not only that, if you are facing some problem in present, what is the reason of that present issues, how it relates to your past, it also explains and reveals that. And what is there in store in future for you, it also deals with that. In case you go through the remedies, it is also giving the guidance and also the remedies to change your future as well. Now earlier the many wise wisdom wise also and also many good and highest form of priests, rishis, yogis, maharishis were also playing this game only to know their soul journey. They have been doing tapasya for so much long period of a time, so they themselves think that they have attained everything in their life, they have overcome all the hurdles. But to know the real truth, they used to play this game, and it reveals always the truth where whatever things they have actually not achieved in their life, it tells. So similarly it is with you also. Once you start the journey, this is the board, this is the board, and normally you will see that it's a snake and ladder board, but it is not that. It is much beyond that. It also deals with your seven chakras as well. Whatever there is up there in the universe is down there in ourselves also. I keep on saying that because there is a reason behind that. Seven lokas are represented here in the form of seven chakras in our body, and this Moksha board also relates with that. It also reveals that mystery also. That is the one part of, you can say, a very single part of that, this board, this journey. It is not in entirety that everything is only chakra, it is much beyond that as well. So chakras are only one part, because chakras are being represented in the form of now lokas, seven lokas, and above that lives the creator of all that is. So this is a very wonderful journey of your soul. You come to know your true journey of your soul. You must be thinking about yourself that you have achieved everything, or you are so lucky, or you are so happy. But if you want to know the truth about your own inner self, which is actually hidden by your consciousness or your environment or your circumstances, it is only this board, this game, this workshop which will make you understand revealing the truth about your own self, so that what you have to now do so as to achieve what you want to achieve. So, if anyone interested to join, they can message me on my this number 8860732527 to be a part of this journey. This soul journey is learning about your own soul journey. And this is the wonderful part that you can do this for the others as well, not only for your, for others as well. It can give the guidance. You can be a, you can say without any experience of Jyotishi also, you can just simply tell about anything, whether regarding anybody's relationships, any queries of others, you can deal with that, not only about talking about the soul journey itself. So, hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, kindly share it and subscribe it, and put a like on it. Thank you. The explanation of this workshop will be in both the languages. Manual is in English. We will be giving you manual and the board also in PDF form, so that you can take out the print of the board by the time we start the workshop and get it laminated. So it will facilitate you. The explanation is in both the Hindi as well as in English, or English as well as in Hindi. Thank you.